came across a paper in the scientific literature in early January 2001, and it was Turning Blood into Brain, the title. It was documenting the first time that a stem cell from the bone marrow was seen to go to the brain and becoming a brain cell. We were taught in med school, stem cells are only precursors to blood cells. And of all tissues, my background is neurophysiology, we're told the brain does not repair. So to see a stem cell going to the brain and becoming a neuron was to me quite remarkable. So I started to dig in the scientific literature to see what we can find, and I found one other paper documenting the same thing on the heart and another one on the liver. So I just thought, if stem cells can become heart, liver, and brain, why not lung, skin, pancreas, and the rest? How can you imagine a physiological process that will make stem cells become those three, but not the rest? It makes no sense. So that means it's only a matter of time. Scientists will show that stem cells can become everything. And if stem cells can become everything, it has to be their function. So if stem cells can become these tissues, they have to be the repair system of the body.